दाग दाग उजाला, ये शब गजीदा शहर, वो इंतज़ार था जिसका, ये वो शहर तो नहीं। ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, यह सिर्फ एक बहस नहीं, यह सिर्फ एक बजट नहीं, यह एक जज्बा है, एक इरादा है, एक वादा है अपनी मिट्टी से, अपनी माँ से, अपनी आवाम से। आज जब हम इन ग्रांट्स पर चर्चा कर रहे हैं तो सिर्फ आंखों से पढ़ी जाने वाली रिपोर्ट नहीं, दिल से महसूस की जाने वाली कहानी सुनाई जा रही है। ये कहानी सड़कों से जुड़ी उम्मीदों की है, कारीगर के हाथों से निकले हुनर की है, मजदूर के पसीने की, नौजवानों के सपनों की और ज़मीन की गोद से निकली दौलत की। ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, दिल ना उम्मीद तो नहीं, नाकाम ही तो हैं, लंबी है गम की शाम मगर शाम भी तो है। जो शहर कभी उजड़ा था वो फिर से बसाया जाएगा, जो आवाज़ कभी दबाई गई थी वो फिर से गूंजेगी। जो रियासत थी वो फिर अपनी पहचान पाएगी, नया सवेरा आएगा, जरूर आएगा। ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, सुन लो, प्यार ना सुनो, आपको मैंने सुना, आप मुझे सुनो, चलो कोई। ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, मुझे पता है कि मेरा चेहरा इनको बहुत पसंद है, मेरी आवाज़ से इनको बहुत पसंद है, इसलिए बार बार बोलते हैं बीच में। मैं इनकी पसंद का आदमी हूँ, इसलिए बार बार बोलते हैं। अच्छी बात है। ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, मैं ऑनरेबल MLAs का जिन्होंने इस चर्चा में हिस्सा लिया, मैं इनका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं, क्योंकि जो इनकी सजेशंस हैं ये मेरे लिए, मेरे डिपार्टमेंट के लिए काफ़ी काम आएंगी। और जो बात इन्होंने कही है ये सिर्फ इस हाउस के अंदर नहीं रहेगी, बल्कि हम इसको कागज़ों पे भी उतारेंगे, ये वादा इनसे रहा। और आज काफ़ी सारे ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स हमारे यहाँ नहीं बोल सके, मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप इन राइटिंग अपनी सजेशन हमें दें, उनकी भी हमारे लिए बड़ी वैल्यू रखती है। ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, इसके साथ साथ जिन ऑनरेबल्स ने कट मोशन लगाए थे उनको रिप्लाई मिली होगी, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि उस रिप्लाई से ये सेटिस्फाइड होंगे। अगर कहीं गुंजाइश रही होगी तो मेरे से कभी भी वो बात कर सकते हैं, उसको द्वारा हम इसमें अपना जहां कहीं भी रोल अदा होगा अदा जरूर करेंगे। और मैं आज डिपार्टमेंट्स के ऊपर बोलने से पहले मैं जो ऑनरेबल MLAs हैं जिन्होंने कट मोशन लगाई हैं, मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट भी करूंगा और उम्मीद भी रखूंगा कि वो अपनी कट मोशन जो हैं वो वापस ले लेंगे। एक बोनस है। ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, ऑनरेबल MLAs जिन्होंने बोला, एक 31 ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स ने इस डिस्कशन में हिस्सा लिया। अगर आप कहें तो नाम मैं बोलूँगा, लेकिन फिर टाइम काफ़ी हो जाएगा, इसलिए मैं उन सब की जो लिखा है, जिन्होंने बोला उनकी भी कदर, जिन्होंने नहीं बोला उनके लिए भी मेरे दिल में पूरी जगह है। कहता पीछे से पड़ा पता सब्र किया जाए। ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, मैं पब्लिक वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट, roads and bridges are the backbone of economic progress and social development. They connect people to opportunities, business to market, and villages to essential service like education and healthcare. The Public Works R&B department in Jammu and Kashmir is entrusted with the immense responsibility of building and maintaining this lifeline. From remote habitation in the mountains to towns and cities, our efforts are focused on ensuring smooth, safe, and sustainable road connectivity across Jammu and Kashmir. Currently, the department maintains an extensive road network of 40,000 kilometers, and our priorities remain the same: to provide high-quality roads and connectivity to large unconnected villages. However, maintaining such vast infrastructure requires continuous investment and strategic planning. The department is making every possible efforts to ensure that the roads built with public funds stand the test of time. In 2025-26, we are targeting 4,000 kilometers of road blacktopping under various schemes such as PMGSY, cities and towns, CRIF, and NABARD, significantly improving travel conditions for the people of J&K. The department receives funding from three main sources: centrally sponsored schemes like PMGSY and CRIF, NABARD loan assistance, and UT sector funding for roads and bridges. Through PMGSY, which started in 2001, we have successfully connected 2,132 out of 2,140 identified villages, laying down 17,585 kilometers of roads and constructing 210 bridges at an investment of 10.939 crore. The remaining work will be completed by 2025-26 under PMGSY Phase 2 and Phase 3. We have upgraded 1,927 kilometers of roads and constructed 9 bridges, while the remaining 505 kilometers of roads and 64 bridges will be completed soon. To further strengthen road connectivity, the Government of India has approved PMGSY 4 2024-29, which will connect habitation with 250 plus population as per 2011 census. This includes special provision for tribal majority villages and aspirational districts. Better road access will bring schools, hospitals, and market closer to our people. Promoting economic and social transformation, a survey connected through advanced technology has identified 2,508 road alignments, and we are actively preparing detailed project reports to secure approval for over 1,000 new projects in 2025-26. However, land compensation remains a major challenge, and I urge honorable MLAs to cooperate in resolving these issues for the benefit of the people. Under the CRI scheme, 294 projects worth 4,337 crore have been sanctioned by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, out of which 194 have been completed, including crucial road links like Kotranka-Khwas Road, Magam-Biru Road, and Thanambal-Palgam Road. Several important bridges are also under construction, including the 2,000-meter bridge over River Chenab at Indri Patan Pargwal, a 270-meter bridge at Ramban, and 445-meter bridge over River Uj at Jothana. Given the limited funding under CRI, the department has not been able to propose fresh projects since 2018-19 and is currently focused on completing ongoing projects. NABARD remains an essential source of funding for rural roads and bridge construction. Currently, 1,098 projects are sanctioned under NABARD, and 213 projects have already been completed in 2024-25. Marking the highest ever achievement for the department in a single year, I take this opportunity to appreciate our engineers for their tireless work and expect them to continue delivering results for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. The magnification and resurfacing of roads remain a priority under UT sector funding. In 2024-25, we have already blacktopped 3,251 kilometers of roads, including 1,610 kilometers of roads in cities and towns, with a final target of 4,000 kilometers. Alongside roads, bridges are equally important for connectivity, and 153 bridges are under construction with a total cost of 569 crore. So far, 83 bridges have been completed, including the Gundbal footbridge in Srinagar, Akhal Bridge in Kangan, and Najwal Samba Bridge, with several others, including Kamarwadi Bridge in Srinagar, nearing completion. Winter snow clearance remains a crucial challenge in Jammu and Kashmir. The Mechanical and Hospital Directorate and PWD have successfully managed snow removal operations, ensuring roads remain open during harsh weather conditions. These efforts deserve appreciation, and we remain committed to further strengthening. The department is not only focusing on construction, but also implementing modern reforms to improve efficiency and quality. The introduction of an online management and payment system has enabled real-time project monitoring and direct contractor payments, reducing delays and increasing transparency. The J&K PWD Manual 2021 has been updated after several decades to include the latest engineering practices. The Road Maintenance Policy 2021 ensures timely upkeep, preventing early deterioration of roads. A two-tier quality control mechanism has been introduced for strict monitoring, and third-party inspections are now mandatory for all major projects. The mechanization and defect liability enforcement ensure that contractors are accountable for maintaining roads for a specific period after construction. Honorable Speaker, sir, Industry and Commerce. The Industry and Commerce Department is playing a key role in creating jobs and boosting business growth in Jammu and Kashmir. The department supports big industries and small businesses by providing financial help, land and infrastructure, the greater job opportunities, self-employment guidance, and skill development programs, so that the youth of J&K can become self-reliant and contribute to the overall economic growth of J&K. Employment sector, the government is focused on addressing unemployment, which remains a major challenge due to the limited presence of large industry in J&K. Currently, 3.77 lakh unemployed youth are registered with District Employment and Counseling Center to provide better career opportunities. The department is engaged in the registration of unemployed individuals, career counseling, coaching, job awareness, fair and skill development training. A new initiative, Mission Yuva Udyami Vikas Abhiyan, is set to be launched to support young entrepreneurs and create employment opportunities. Recognizing the importance of entrepreneurship, the government has planned Mission Yuva, a landmark initiative that aims to create 1.37 lakh new enterprises and generate 4.5 lakh jobs over 5 years. This program will help young people establish their own businesses, enhance their skill, and contribute to the local economy. To ensure its success, a detailed survey was conducted across J&K, covering 3.64 lakh households and 1.1 crore individuals. Using a tech-enabled approach, the finding will help in identifying potential entrepreneurs, understanding skill gaps, and designing better training programs. In the upcoming financial year, 27,400 new enterprises are expected to be created, generating 85,000 jobs. Apart from entrepreneurship, skill development programs are being expanded. The department offers oriented training courses such as office, automation, financial accounting, using Tally and other industry-relevant programs. Currently, 20 batches of such training are running across J&K, and for the next year, 1,080 candidates will be trained under these programs. Job Fair also regularly organizes a connect job seekers with employers. In the current financial year, 56 job fairs have been conducted, providing 1,230 direct placements and shortlisting of 5,014 youth for training. Labor sector, the Labor Department is responsible for protecting workers' rights, ensuring fair wages, and maintaining industrial harmony between employers and workers. The department resolves labor disputes, promotes social security scheme, and ensures strict enforcement of labor laws. Over the years, the department has worked towards speedy resolution of cases, ensuring that workers receive justice without delays. Efforts are also being made to educate workers about their rights through awareness programs using newspapers, social media, and public outreach. A key focus area in linking workers with social security schemes of both the central and state governments, the department has made actively promoting insurance schemes, pension benefits, and welfare programs. For laborers to improve their financial security, the government is also working on amending outdated labor laws to align with the ease of doing business guidelines, making the regulatory process simpler and more efficient. The J&K Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board was established to protect the right of construction workers, ensure their safety, and provide financial assistance for their well-being. The board runs several welfare schemes, offering financial support in cases of accidents, chronic disease, disabilities, education, marriage, and maternity benefits. The financial assistance provided include 5 lakh for accidental death, 2 lakh for natural death, 4.5 lakh for permanent disability, 1.5 lakh for chronic diseases, and up to 48,000 for educational support. Additionally, 50,000 is given for marriage assistance and 5,000 for maternity support. During February 2025 alone, 4,236 new workers were registered under the board, and in the current financial year, 44,988 workers have been added. A total of 5,903.25 lakh has been disbursed. MIS portal is being developed to connect skilled workers with industries. This online platform will act as a bridge between job seekers and employers, allowing businesses to post job openings and find qualified candidates. A centralized academic monitoring and improvement system, CAMIS, has also been introduced to track student performance, enhancing academic quality and improve teacher-student interaction. Additionally, an online ranking system for ITIs and polytechnics has been launched, along with a fully digital ITI admission process that generates selection lists automatically. The apprenticeship training scheme has also been great progress, with 540 active establishments currently training 477 apprentices. Similarly, 3,048 candidates identified under the Back to Village program have received training at various ITIs. Special attention has also been given to women in empowerment, with 7,851 women from self-help groups trained under different programs. Under the Sankalp initiative, 2,867 candidates have received skill training through district skill committees, and 7,000 women have been trained under the recognition of prior learning program in collaboration with Central University Jammu and University of Kashmir. Certification for training programs at FCI Jammu has also been made QR code based, making it one of the few institutions in India to adopt this system. Jammu and Kashmir has excelled under the PM Vishkarma scheme with 1,18,293 out of 1,34,500 to improve their financial status. Honorable Speaker, sir, Umar Abdullah government is fully committed to empowering the youth of Jammu and Kashmir for providing them with the skill and opportunities needed to secure meaningful employment and contribute to the economic growth of the region. Through technical training, new age courses, industry collaborations, and digital innovations, the government is ensuring that our workforce is prepared for challenges of the modern job market. With these initiatives, the Skill Development Department will continue to transform lives, strengthen the economy, and create a brighter future for our youth. Honorable Speaker, sir, आज जो बात शुरू की थी वो सिर्फ शब्दों का सिलसिला नहीं, एक जज्बा था, एक इरादा था। हमने तारीख के सफ़र देखे हैं, दुख भी झेला है, उम्मीद भी रखी है, मगर जो मिट्टी अपने लोगों से मोहब्बत करती है वो कभी हार नहीं मानती है। आज हमने इरादों के साथ आगे बढ़ने का अज़म रखते हैं। जो रास्ते रुक गए थे उन्हें फिर से खोलेंगे, जो ख्वाब अधूरे रह गए थे उन्हें अंजाम तक पहुंचाएंगे, और जो आवाज़ कभी दब गई थी उसको तारीख का हिस्सा बनाएंगे। चिराग बुझते भी हैं मगर रोशनी नहीं रुकती, जो राह इंसाफ की हो वो कभी अधूरी नहीं रहती। जम्मू और कश्मीर का मुस्तकबिल रोशन है, ये मिट्टी का मकाम बुलंद है। आज नहीं तो कल, मगर नया सवेरा जरूर आएगा, जरूर आएगा। सर, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, मैं ऑनरेबल मेंबर से रिक्वेस्ट करूं जिन्होंने कट मोशन लगाए कि वो अपने कट मोशन विड्रॉ करें।
ओके, आपकी तरफ से 26 ऑनरेबल मेंबरान की तरफ से कट मोशन हमें मिली थी। 26 में से एक सजाद गनी लोन साहब इस वक्त प्रेजेंट नहीं हैं, तो इसलिए 25 हैं। 25 जो हैं उनके नाम मैं पढ़ता हूँ। मिस्टर मोहम्मद